In this video, I'll show how to use the InDesign script resolve overset text. The script finds overset text and creates a text frame off-page to reveal the hidden content. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. When preparing a job for output, we sometimes encounter this flaw. If only a couple instances, fixing the problem isn't too painful, but sometimes we're handed a mess. We can ignore all this at our peril, or resolve each manually, a tedious process. So I wrote this script to help. I have an example document prepared. Not too extreme, only 7 instances of overset text. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script Resolve Overset Text. Double-click to run it. The interface is simple, only 2 choices: Reveal Overset Text and Delete Revealed Text. To start, select Reveal. Click OK, and the script scans the document for overset text. The script tells us how many cases were revealed. For each, off the page is a text frame added that shows the hidden content. Before inspecting the results, it's a good idea to enable Show Hidden Characters. Go to the Type menu. Show Hidden Characters. Now white space is visible. In some cases, all the overset text contains. Also enable Show Text Threads. Go to the View menu, Extras, Show Text Threads. Now selecting the overset text shows the frame it's linked to. The next step is to look at the text revealed. Is it just excess? Or has something important fallen off the page? We can see these 2 are only white space, just excess junk. But this one is splitting a word. That isn't right. Note the script inserted a paragraph end. This is to ensure content showing doesn't push ahead into the overset text when it's revealed. In this case, we need to adjust the layout somehow to get all the text showing. Start with taking out the added paragraph end. There are many ways to fix a problem like this. Tighten tracking, change leading, or in this case, I'll just open the frame a bit. Now the text is on the page like it was meant to be. Go through the document and fix the rest, or ignore the excess if just junk. Don't worry about leftover text frames on the pasteboard or their contents. The next step takes care of that. Now run the script again. This time, choose Delete. All the content and frames that were added to the pasteboard are removed. Go back to pre-flight, and now there shouldn't be any overset text. Great, all fixed. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.